Among the ocean's most captivating creatures, seahorses, well known for their horse-like heads and tails, which they use to anchor themselves to seagrass and coral. They gracefully navigate the depths using their dual fins. These masters of disguise display an extraordinary ability to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, showcasing nature's unparalleled artistry. Surprisingly, male seahorses carry the weight of pregnancy. In a pouch, they carry as many as 2,000 baby seahorses, also known as fry. As few as 5 in every 1,000 fry survive to adulthood.